Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will show you how you can award a certificate manually without creating an engagement. We have two ways to award a manual certificate. So in this video, I'll show you both of the way to award a manual certificate. First, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit engagements and then awarded certificates. And now we have to click on award certificates. And here we can choose a specific student that we want to manually award a certificate. So we have to search for our students. So I will search for one of my students. And then we can choose a template, but I will start from scratch. Then you can add the certificate title or you can modify the certificate design as per your requirements. I'm just publishing it. Now, if I open my student dashboard, I will see the awarded certificates. Here you can see I have earned a certificate, and if I click on view full certificate, here is my custom certificate. And another option is from reporting. So another way to award manual certificate from reporting, first we have to choose a specific students. Then we have to click on certificates. And here we can see we have an option award certificates. We have to choose a specific template here. So I'm choosing one of my template. Also, you can create a new template and then you can choose a new template from here. So we will click on create draft. Here is our certificate draft. If you want, you can modify the content, but I will just publish this. And now if I visit the users and if I visit this specific user's account, I will see that I received a certificate as a student. So I'll switch to the student profile and you can see here is I have earned a certificate. So if I open this, here is the certificate. So this is how you can award a manual certificate. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.